Hello everyone, this is Himanshu, founder of Tech Kutumb. For the last 6 months, Tech Kutumb was silent. But today, we are not just coming back, we are starting something much bigger. A lot of people were asking, where did we go? Where the Tech Kutumb was? The truth is, of course, there were some personal reasons, but most importantly, we didn't want to just post the content without any direction. So during these days, we were in our learning and development phase. So, like in this time, we were understanding the people, were understanding the students. We were engaging with the students across the cities, and we were doing the surveys and having the conversation with the students. And we were seeing like what actually goes wrong in the IT, so that the students are suffering, aspirants are suffering. And what we found was totally shocking. Most students are not failing because they are not capable. They are failing because they don't have a proper guidance. They choose the wrong field and they follow some random resources and they believe in the fake promises, because once upon a time I was one of them. So that's where we realized that something important, that is just uploading videos is not enough. Here students don't need more information, they need clarity, direction and real support. And that's why Tech Kutumb is evolving. Like, we are not just a content platform anymore, we are building a complete career ecosystem. So I will explain you what our vision is. So firstly, we will help the students with their career clarity, then we will provide a skill based training, and then in upcoming days in future, we will build a system where we can create real work opportunities also. And today we are taking our first step. Like, we are starting with the simple practical services to help you immediately as a starter program. So in upcoming days, what we are going to provide is, we will provide a free live session, career guidance session. That free seminar we will provide, we're going to provide resume and LinkedIn supports, a skill based training, and a beginner friendly IT starter program. That is initially that will be for 2 weeks. And this is not just a beginning, it's step by step we will build something much bigger. So in this program, we will help you like understanding the IT industry clearly, choose the right field, and learning the basic fundamental skills, building your resume, and prepare for the real work opportunities. And this is not just another course. Okay, this is a guided journey to help you avoid the mistakes that thousands of students make, that I have made. So if you are really serious about your IT career, I highly recommend you to join our free live session. In that session, we will provide you, we will guide you step by step how to start, what to start, where to start. And this is just the beginning of Tech Kutumb. And if you join now, you will be the part of this journey from the start. And from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start our live session, free webinar for the students like you. So please join that, and we will discuss in detail. Thank you.
Confused about your IT career? Don't worry, that Tech Kutumb has you covered.
Join our free webinar and get clarity, roadmap, and real salary insights. Book a career counseling call for personal guidance. Upgrade with resume and LinkedIn service. Start your journey with our starter program. Plus, grab powerful digital products. Stop guessing. Start growing. Tap the link now and build your IT future with Tech Kutumb. Right guidance today equals a successful career tomorrow.